Okay guys, so my couch is here. I'm so excited. I said I wasn't gonna put it together today, but I feel like all I have to do is take it out of the box and put the cushions up. So let's do that really quickly. So tomorrow when I wake up, I don't have to worry about my freaking couch. I can just get up, go upstairs to the rooftop pool, drink, and enjoy my Saturday. Okay guys, so this is my new couch from Wayfair. I absolutely adore it. It kind of goes with the whole mid-century vibe that I'm going for in this area. I was so concerned that this gray here would not match the gray in my paintings, but the gray is absolutely perfection. This is just a different view. And like some parts of it look lighter, some of it look darker, but I think just over time it'll all even out. But yeah. So guys, this is my Wayfair couch. It is the Burton reversible sofa. I love how everything came out, from the customer service to the shipping to the easy assembly. I will say the only con with this couch is that it's not the most comfortable. Well, or maybe the cushion just needs to be broken in. It is not the kind of couch that you would sit down on and it swallows you and you fall asleep. But it is aesthetically pleasing. As far as the comfort goes, maybe over time that will change, but that's the only con I have from this couch. I did look it up online and I feel like Wayfair changes the styles every so often, so it doesn't say that it's the Burton anymore. There's a different name for the couch, and I'm sure that that's gonna change again as they get it from different vendors. I will say, as far as shipping goes, what took so long was the fact that it comes from China, I believe, to the Wayfair factory here. They inspect it and then they ship it here. I did pay the additional money to have someone bring it into my apartment, and there was another additional fee to have them put it together for me, but I figure it's just you unzipping something out of the back of the sofa and putting it together, which it was very, very simple. From beginning to end, it took me maybe 20 to 25 minutes. So I would recommend, if I can put it together, anyone can put it together. So I would recommend, if you want to have someone bring it to your home or your apartment unit, absolutely do that. But I would not recommend you paying to have someone install it unless you just don't want to do it. In which case, by all means, go for it. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. It was just a quick video showing you guys the sofa, giving you a quick review of Wayfair and the couch itself. If you have any further questions about it, do feel free to leave me a comment in the comment sections below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.